Hey there, friends, and welcome to DoodleToots TV. I'm DoodleToots, and I love to draw. And if you love to draw as much as I do, you're in luck, because today we're going to learn how to draw a watermelon. Okay, before we get started on this watermelon, let's make sure that we have the colors we need to begin and to complete this drawing. So we need black for our outline. As always, we use that for all of our drawings, but we also are going to need 2 reds and 2 greens. So 2 reddish, pinkish colors for the inside, and then 2 greens for the rind and for the outside. So go ahead and grab those colors, and then let's get started. Now with our black outline, we're going to want to do a big half circle, smiley face looking thing right in the center of our paper. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to want to go across about 2/3 of the way to here. And then we're going to do 3 big half circles as if somebody took a bite out of it. So 1, 2, 3, and then finish the line over. Okay, and then next, we want to give this some dimension. So about midway through, we're going to begin our line. We're going to come down, over, and we're going to meet it with this line that we just put here. And so we're going to come down and up and connect, and that is going to be our slice of watermelon. And then we also want to make sure that we carry on this here in the bite as well. So let's come down here, and then a little swoop, come down here, and then down here. Give some dimension to our bite of watermelon. Okay? And then next we need to give him a face. And so I'm going to do 2 little half circles here. And then above it, we're going to do 2 little upside down U shapes. And we're going to leave this a little empty. We're not going to quite fill it in on the right sides of each. So leave a little white space on each side of these, okay? And then next we need to give him a mouth. Yes, we are giving this watermelon a mouth, and he's going to be spitting out this seed. And so this mouth is going to look like a backwards 6. So let's make a backwards 6 and then fill it in. And then we're going to do a little squiggle line around it like that. And then we're going to give some motion lines, 2 little motion lines out to the side. And then we'll do this oval shape for our watermelon seed. And just like how we colored in the eyes, we'll do the same thing here where we're leaving a little bit of it not quite completely filled in. Okay, and then the next thing we want to do is make sure we put some seeds on this watermelon. And so just go around the edge here and fill in with some pumpkin seeds. Not pumpkin seeds. Oh my gosh. Wrong season, DoodleToots. Finish these with some watermelon seeds, and they're all going to kind of point towards the middle there. Okay? Now we have everything. We've done the watermelon, we've done the bite, we've done the angles, we've done the eyes, and we've have it spitting out a seed. Now it's time to color it. Okay, let's start with our light green, the lightest green that you have. And we're going to go along the inside of this curve here. And you can make it perfectly smooth. You can make it a little wobbly here because this is a natural object. And so, not really going to have a lot of perfectly straight lines, which is one thing I love about drawing. I love the imperfection of some drawings. Okay, now we've done that little along the inside. Now we're going to do some squiggly lines here along the outside of the watermelon, okay? And then we are going to alternate coloring them in, okay? So I have a white space, and then I'm going to color this green bit in, and a white space. I'm going to color this green bit in, white space, green bit, white space, green bit. Okay, now that's it for the light green. Let's move over to our darker green, and we're going to fill in all of this green space, all this empty white space where we did the light green squiggles. We're going to fill that in with the darker green. And there we go. Okay, now that's it for the greens. Now we're going to move on to our inside of our watermelon. And so we're going to start with the light of the reds. So if you have like a pink and a red, that would be perfect here. So start with the pink, and we'll color in these parts of the bite. And then we're going to do a little bit of a line to the left of each eye. And then we're also going to do a little bit here on the side of the mouth. Okay? And then that's it for that light pink. The next is the main red watermelon, and everything else is really going to get colored in with this. And so we're going to leave a little bit of white space between that light green and the red. Okay, and then we're going to come down. We're going to color this here. Okay. And then we're going to color in everything here. And we're going to want to make sure that you don't color in the whites of this watermelon's eyes, because that lets it pop. Okay, we're going to go around the pink here. We're going to go around this pink here, around this pink here. Okay, we're going to color in everything else now. And feel free to pause the video if you need to. If I'm going too fast or you're still working on another color, feel free to pause it. I will be here when you get back, and you can just resume wherever I leave off. And yeah. Okay. Getting this thing colored in. Increase our brush size here. Fill this space. There we go. Ah, that's much faster. Okay. Almost done with this delicious watermelon. Oh, it's making me so hungry for watermelon. Tell me, friends, do you guys like watermelon as much as I do? Ooh. Okay, we are done. What do you guys think about that? Oh, that is so silly. That watermelon is spitting out his own seed. Goofy little guy. Thank you guys so much for stopping by to draw with me, and I can't wait to see you next time. Hold on, before you go, make sure that you like, subscribe, and you click that bell icon so that you get notified every time a new video is released. And if you just like to color, you can pick through any of the library of the drawings that we've done so far on the show by going to DoodleToots.com/color, and you can download those coloring pages and color all day. Until next time, see ya.